You ever been around some people, they only have time for you for here for your destruction. You can call them anytime you have problems and them available for you. But the minute things are go right, they don't have no time for you. They don't want to hear nothing good. But listen, me never fall apart. You never reach the core of my heart. You try to shake where God did build, but only expose the guilt you conceal. Me not shake by what you say, not at all. Me rise through every storm and day. You speak in a hate, me stand in a grace. You try to win one losing race. And yes, me did carry the pain. Me make your words run through me vein. But even then, me never break. Me learn from every move you make. Cause healing show where your eye can't see. Not everybody meant for me. You never destroy me, not one part. You only expose your heart. And me stand and shaking and whole, protected deeply in a me soul. Where you try to bury, make me rise, stronger, wiser, with clear eyes.